Out there, you know who it is. It's your girl, Sounds of Shar'e, and I am down here with the one and only Chudney Williams, and I just came today. This is my first time being here. I wanted to see what the hype was about, and let me tell you, it's definitely hype. I was super excited to finally network with you and come get my one-on-one session. It was super dope. The lesson was kind of basic for starters. I'm just now starting out, so super excited.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
I want you to go ahead and tell everybody out there where they can find you at, and when you have your next session available.
Okay. Hey everybody, I'm Chudney with Crave the Chrome, and I teach Monday through Saturday. So I offer pole classes during the week and twerk classes on Saturdays. I'm located in the A&P office suite building off of Washington and State on the 3rd floor, suite 325. Directions are definitely on my website, just so you won't get lost and have it as a backup.
Last set. You made it. Right. We have fun.
Absolutely.
We have fun. I mean, it was really easy. I know I got to work on kind of like my core muscle strength, but I mean, the lesson was really easy. It was cutesy. It was girly. Felt fancy doing it, and she's a very dope, easy, simple instructor, so make sure you ladies check her out. She also does private lessons, so get on over to Facebook. Make sure you follow her at Chudney Williams, and we'll have a little bit of back footage for you later on in one of the episodes. All right, make sure you guys check her out down at Suite 325. See y'all later.